Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unmute all notes on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and you may have muted some notes previously. And this tutorial is to show you how to unmute them all. So at the moment, I'm just muting some notes just so I have something to show you later on in this tutorial. And to proceed, go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click this view horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you see the What You See section and then click the Muted Accounts. So here you're going to see all the accounts that you've muted, no matter what kind of medium that you muted from them. So under the name of the accounts that you've muted, you will see the type of medium that you've muted. And if you want to unmute only the notes, click the unmute button beside all names that have notes muted, and then just toggle off the button beside mute notes. Repeat this process until there are no more notes muted in your muted accounts. And that's how you can easily unmute all notes on Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!